In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-time invoice using HubSpot's Sales Hub professional tools. This is an essential skill if you're looking to manage your sales and invoicing efficiently within the platform. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to HubSpot. You'll need to make sure you're logged in to access all the features we'll be working with today. Once you're on the dashboard, your first task is to locate and click on the Commerce tab. The Commerce section is a powerful area where you can manage transactions and related activities. Clicking on it will bring you one step closer to setting up that crucial invoice. Next, after entering the Commerce area, you want to find and click on the Invoices option. This section is dedicated to all things billing related. Here you can create new invoices, review past ones, and manage the financial aspects of your sales operations. By clicking on Invoices, you're preparing to create a new billing document. Now that you're in the Invoices section, it's time to create a new invoice. You should see a prominent button labeled Create. Clicking on this button will open up a new set of options. This step marks the beginning of the invoice creation process, where you can tailor the details to your specific requirements. Once you've hit Create, a few options will unfold. You'll want to click on Create One-Time Invoice. This is perfect for when you need to bill a client just once as opposed to setting up recurring payments. It streamlines the process, ensuring you're only billing for the specific transaction in question. From there, it's time to set the details of your invoice, starting with the billing contact. Click on the section that allows you to enter this information. It's important to ensure you have correct and updated details so that the invoice reaches the right person or department effectively. Next, click on Company to include the necessary business details. Accurate company information can help prompt timely payment and avoid any confusion or discrepancies. Your clients should be able to recognize and validate the invoice with ease. Now, it's crucial to specify both the billing and shipping addresses. Start by clicking on Billing Address. Ensuring this information is complete and correct is vital for both records and accuracy in communication. Next, do the same for Shipping Address. If these differ, it's important to ensure they're separated so your goods, if applicable, reach the correct destination. The final part of setting up your invoice includes selecting Invoice Date, then Payment Terms, and finally, Due Date. Clicking on each of these allows you to set the timeline for payment. The invoice date signifies when the invoice is issued. Payment terms outline the agreement regarding payment timelines, and the due date indicates when payment is expected. Ensuring these dates are set correctly is key to managing cash flow and maintaining good client relationships. And there you have it, the complete process for creating a one-time invoice with HubSpot. It's straightforward, but being meticulous with each step will help ensure that your invoicing system remains robust and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.